Hello everybody. Today is Saturday, October the 18th, 2014. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the Weekend Elliottwave video. Just before pushing forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer. Alright, so let's jump right into the markets. As of late, we are in only one open position. Okay, that one open position is the Kiwi CAD longs. Okay, so we will take a look at the setup, currently the development, and then other currency pairs. Okay, so this is the Kiwi CAD setup. This is the daily setup. We got long at 0.8936. Okay, stop loss at 88.60, and target is for that 93 level. Okay, so this is the setup. The daily setup, you see a nice breakout and then a retest of that area. Okay, now going forward, going forward, we look for move to the top side and we look for a support to hold. Okay, so here's the current developments. You can see it extended the second day decline, but you can see a wick on the downside. Okay. So going forward, we look for about 93.0 for those targets. If I modify this trend line just a bit, you can see it's just around that area. All right. Meanwhile, we are looking at this is the Kiwi CAD on the 4-hour setup as well. So you can see more of a retest in the zone out here. You can see a nice bottom side wick, which should then call for reversal again towards that 93 level. And then Kiwi dollar is a pair that we're looking at in the medium to near term. Okay, here we have a nice congested zone that is developing, and we are looking for a clean breakout to the top side. The top side, we are looking for a 4-hour close above 79.50 for a move upwards. Alright, so 4-hour close above there, we'll look to get long, and that will also provide some confirmation for our Kiwi CAD longs. And then Aussie dollar, we are looking for a breakout out of this triangle. Ideally, we would like to see a breakout to the top side to then also follow suit with the Kiwi dollar and movement of the commodity pair currencies. If that's the case, then this would be a B-wave triangle. But whichever way it breaks out, we'll look to take advantage of that move. Now, if it does break out to the top side, we'll look to target that 261.8% Fibonacci extension, which is located at 93.06. Alright, and that's also trendline resistance at the top side. But if it breaks out to the bottom side, this will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll look for a fifth wave decline to new lows towards that 86 level. So obviously a bias to the top side, but we're looking to play a breakout out of that zone. Meanwhile, dollar CAD, not really similar, but you have that support level around 1.12. All right, I would like to see prices respect that level and then break out to the bottom side. Alright, and then on the daily, we have some momentum divergence, which bodes well for shorts. Alright, looking for a reversal. Alright, this divergence is not as deep as I would like, so just take caution if you're looking to play the dollar CAD. Dollar yen played out well for us last week. We got stopped at plus 30, but it automatically shot right to the downside. Took us out by the spread, actually. So we'll just wait right now. Look for it to get a tad bit higher. The higher move, ideally 108.60. Also look for a retest and then a test of resistance, so around this level, and then look to get back on that train for those yen positions. Across the board, the yen continue to break out. Actually, Let's look at Kiwi Yen on the daily. That may play out to be a good trade. Kiwi Yen on the daily. Nice breakout actually. You can see it a bit clearer on the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna stick away from that. Actually, I'll just watch Kiwi Yen. I'm fine with Kiwi CAD and watching how that develops. Looking for a Kiwi dollar breakout. Let's look at pound Kiwi as well. Ideally, we'll look for pound Kiwi to the downside. Okay, that could play out as well. Pound Kiwi 204.20. I'll rather see that for short, so a tad bit higher, and then I'll look for that to get into a short position on that pair. All right, so a lot of motion on the Kiwi crosses, but at the same time, still looking at Aussie dollar to see how that develops earlier in the week. Alright guys, I want to thank you all for watching the Elliottwave video for the week ahead. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@globalfxclub.com, or you can Skype me directly at wtcg.mike. Thanks again, and good luck trading. Cheers.